Hello students, this is Mike Sword Academy. So we are going to be looking at 3 questions today on equation of a straight line when we are given 2 points. So this is the first question. Say find the equation of the line between the points A and B. So now we are going to get the formula we can use. Generally we say that y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1 is the equation of a word of the straight line. So where we know our x1 and our y1, then m is the slope. So that means I have to find the slope, then substitute the points and get the equation of the straight line. So here our slope can be calculated like in our previous class, where we say that a slope is equal to change in y all over change in x. So this will give us y2. So let's get the point x1, y1, x2, y2. So our x2, our y2 is 4 minus y1 is what? Is 2. Then our x2 is 3 minus x1 here is minus 1. So we put minus 1. So this will give us 4 minus 2 is 2. Then this will be plus, which is 3 plus 1, which will give us 4. So if you solve this, this will cancel out. That means our m is equal to 1 over 2. So that's the slope. The slope is equal to 1 over 2. So if we substitute back into this equation, we are going to be having that y minus y1. So our y1 is what? Is 2. So we have 2 equal to the slope, which is 1 over 2. Then x minus x1. Our x1 is what? Minus 1. So I'll put a minus 1 here, which will make it to be plus 1. So minus times minus is plus. Now this 2 is going to cross multiply everything we have here. So if we cross multiply 2, we multiply with y, and also multiply with 2, which will give us 4 equal to x. Then remember, this is now plus 1, so we have plus 1. So if I rearrange this equation, I will see that if my s come over to this place, we are having 2 minus x, then equal to, there's 1 here, so let me move the 4 over to this place, it becomes plus 4. So therefore, 2y minus x equal to 5 is the equation of the straight line when we have these 2 points. So let's solve the next one. The same way we are solving the equation of the line between 2 points. So we use the formula y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So that is the equation we use. So we have to find the slope first. So where our slope m will be y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So these are x1, y1, these are x2, y2. So if we substitute, we see that y2 here is 2 minus y1 is minus 1. So minus, which will give us plus. Now x2 is minus 2, then minus x1, x1 is 1. So if you solve this, this is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then here we also give us minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So that means my slope is equal to minus 1. So if we go back to the equation which we are using, so we have y minus y1. y1 is minus 1, so which will make here to become plus 1. So we have minus times minus is plus. Then we have the slope. The slope is minus 1. Then x is here minus x1. Our x1 is what? Is 1. So here you can see clearly that minus can multiply through, so that you have y plus 1 equal to, this will give us minus x. Then minus will affect minus, become plus 1. So we can move minus x over to this place, move 1 over to this place. So you can see that y will be, then x has come over, become plus x. Then we have equal to 1 here. then this one cross over become minus what? 1. So you can see that everything equal to what? 0. Because 1 minus 1 will give us what? 0. So that means y plus x equal to what? 0. Or if you say y plus x equal to 0, we can as well say that y is equal to minus what? X. So that becomes the equation of the what? Straight line. Now, question 3, we have 2 points, 1 minus 1, and D, we have minus 1 minus 1. So we are asked to find the equation of the what? The points here between the 2 points. So find this equation. I'll leave it for you to solve. In the comment section, tell us which of them is the correct what? Option. Okay, so in the next class, we are going to look at different questions on the area of a triangle, the internal and external division of a what? A line. So see you in the next video.